Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of our video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to show you one more design of an Yves Saint Laurent dress. Recently I've showed you the mock-up of the dress with the inserts on the neckline, the armholes, and the sleeves. This time I'm not going to make a mock-up. I'm going to make an actual garment. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for this dress. Have a look at this sketch. There is a round neckline in this dress. I think that the round neckline can make any garment look amazing. Let's have a close look at the sketch. The design is pretty simple. The waist seam, the body is made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system, chest darts, waist tucks, sleeves, and a flared skirt with pleats. This is going to be a floor-length dress. I'm also going to make a pretty wide overcast. This is going to be a double overcast. It will be 10 centimeters wide, so I'm basically going to fold 20 centimeters. 10 centimeters twice. There will be 3 layers of fabric on the bottom. It will add some weight to the skirt. The dress will be lined. There will be a zipper inserted in the back or in the side seam. I'm not sure yet. It might even be better to insert a zipper in the side seam. I've shown you the design. I hope that everything is clear so far. Next, I'm going to show you the fabric I'll be making the dress of. I chose this silk for the skirt. It's pretty strong. This is not just silk, it's silk taffeta. I remind you that the skirt is going to be pleated. The bodice will be made of silk. Have a close look at it. This is how the dress is going to look like. The fabric is quite expensive. This is a jacquard silk. I love it. Have a close look at the fabric. There are golden threads in it. What I want you to understand is that even if you have an opportunity to buy expensive fabric, which is beautiful, there is no need to make the whole gamut of it. It might be too much. I'm going to make just the bodice and the sleeves of this fabric. I'm going to use 85 centimeters of this fabric for bodice and the sleeves. You can also make sleeves of chiffon. Then 50 centimeters will be enough for the bodice. The bodice is going to be multicolored and the skirt single-colored. I love this combination of fabrics. Let's have a look at the pattern. The front, the back, and the sleeve. As usual. The design is pretty simple. I'm going to decorate this dress with a white waistband with corset bones and the draping on the top. I think such waistband would make this dress even more stylish. I'm going to wear this dress for the very special occasions. I'm sure that I would look like a queen wearing it. The waistband is going to be pretty complicated. Have a look at the pattern. These are the back and the front. The front is wider than the back. I need to join the center front and the center back. Measure this distance, the difference between them. The front is 5 centimeters wider than the back. That means that I need to add 2.5 centimeters to the back. I'm doing it because I want the side seams in the bodice and the skirt to match. To do that, the side seam should be placed on the same distance from the center back and the center front. It will also allow me making the back and the front of the skirt identical. There will be no need for me to make two separate patterns. The cut detail should be attached here. The detail should be attached this way. I know that the dress seems pretty simple, but there are some details you should pay attention to. Have a close look at this side. It should be altered. I need to close these openings. Next, I need to check if the details are accurate. This is the back. I've made it wider. And this is the front. They're of the same width now. The side seams are going to be placed right in the center of the pattern, on the same distance both from the center back and the center front. It's very convenient. The side seams in the upper and the lower parts of the dress will match. Let's continue working with the pattern. I need to move the opening of the chest dart to the side seam, as it's shown in the sketch. Such simple design is perfect for such luxurious fabrics. Your dress would look gorgeous. It's better not to choose any complicated designs for such fabrics. I need to close the original opening and move it to the side seam. The dart should be slightly biased. Do not forget to alter the shoulder. It should be accurate. Next, I need to move the opening of the shoulder dart to the back neckline. I think that the dress would look better in this case. When I make the back neckline deeper, the dart will become shorter. There are no darts in the shoulders anymore. It will be much more convenient to work with them this way. I haven't done much yet. I made the back wider, the front tighter, and moved the openings of the shoulder darts. Let's have a look at the neckline. I want the front neckline to be pretty deep. Always check if the shoulders are accurate. They are now. I want to make the shoulders 5.5 centimeters tighter. Be very attentive. I'm going to cut 5.5 centimeters from the shoulders. What about the front neckline? I think I'll make it about 11 centimeters deep. This is not a deep neckline. I'll cut 11 centimeters and then decide if I want to cut more. I need to measure and mark 11 centimeters here and then draw a beautiful round neckline. If I make the neckline deeper, it wouldn't look that good. It wouldn't be round. I think that 11 centimeters are perfect. I also want to make the back neckline a bit deeper. By 2.5 centimeters. I can cut the details now. The necklines are ready. This is how the patterns look like now. Next, I want to make the armhole about 1.5 centimeters deeper. I'll do it by side. Be very attentive. Notice that I'm cutting just the lower part of the armhole. This is very important. The pattern for the bodice is ready. I can start cutting the details. I'll show you how to do it next time. When the bodice is ready, I'll move on to working with the skirt. I also need to make the sleeve about 20 centimeters longer. I want it to be 42 centimeters long. That's it. I need to add 20 centimeters here. That's all for today. Next time, I'll show you how to cut the dress. My name is Irina Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.